Right, so we're on this one, £2 special on Monopoly. We'll give it one more. Right, we'll leave that one. What's this one? Thunderball. We'll try cutting this. Now we'll leave that one. We'll try opening this single player back down. This one. No top. No draw on that one, we'll bring you back on next machine. So you are on a Pokey number 4 and number 3, £1 in each. See if they're doing anything. You get them both in there,
Yeah.
No hold on that one. No hold on that one. Try some more because number 3 is full. We will get onto some £25 jackpots, £100 jackpots at 500ers. But we're being Christmas, not much is getting played down this area at the minute, so we don't really want to be just spunking money for nothing. So I hope you all enjoy the content we're bringing to you at the minute. shout out to JD Slots for produced some videos over Christmas. James Hardy. See Rock and Rollers back. Big John. Matt from One Sec, how are you doing, pal? Hope you had a good Christmas. Somebody took the percentage down or what? Right, well, we'll bring you back when we get our first win.
It's our first win on this one.
Did it not go up?
No.
Oh, useless. Try this one as well again. Another win on number 3 there, sorry. Gonna go up this time. Oh. Just while we're over this side as well, 4-player Okey-Cokeys. We've got Superstition here. 3 communities. Alice in Wonderland. Crazy Fruits Green. Dale No Dale Classic. Treasure Trails. Haunted House. Fortunately on 5p a play. So they do take a while to get the jackpot out of them. £5 win on number 3. Will it go up this time? Nope. Shout out to Ginge at Retros. Old Happy Elf. Hope you had a good Christmas, mate. We'll see you soon after New Year. Yeah, I'll bring you back on next win.
It's our first win on this one.
Did it not go up?
No.
Oh, useless. Try this one as well again. Another win on number 3 there, sorry. Gonna go up this time. Oh. Just while we're over this side as well, 4-player Okie Cokies. We've got Superstition here. 3 communities. Alice in Wonderland. Crazy Fruits Green. Deal No Deal Classic. Treasure Trails. Haunted House. Fortunately on 5p a play. So they do take a while to get the jackpot out of them. £5 win on number 3. Will it go up this time? Nope. Shout out to Ginge at Retros. Old Happy Elf. Hope you had a good Christmas, mate. We'll see you soon after New Year. I'll bring you back on next win. Just rolled in a £5 on number 4. Have a win there on number 3. See if that one goes up. Another one on number 4. Still no one. Nope, none of them gone up. We'll keep you with us for a little bit. I know some of you do like the features and stuff in the long play. Another win there on number... Still no top roll on that. Another win on number 3. Hey. Your party hats on for Christmas. We're going to see any fivers today or what? No. Oh, we're going to go back up off the holes. Quite rare, but it does do it. No. Keep you with us for 5 minutes. Getting away from it. Nope, not. Let's give it another one. Fiver. Gonna go up this time. Nope. Right, well, we'll bring you back up next win on number 4. Next win on number 4. We'll go this time. Still no top board on this one. Hold off the nudge for the jackpot. Still not top. Right, we'll bring you back if we get anything else. I think we're gonna out now. So we'll try a pound in this. I think it's 5 nudges though. Our first board on Haunted House. 8. We get 3 or a 1. Oh, it's caught us. It's caught us. Is that alright with glare?
Yeah, a
There's
little
bit of glare on
bit.
this.
Yeah.
What number are 3? That's a losing one. We'll try another pound, it's got a little bit of life in it. I'll bring you back on the win. Right, I decided to come back on it, and I've just got up to freak streak, so I think we'll just have that. See how much we get this off of this. Is it 360, is it? Can't remember what it starts off. No, 340. Well, we'll keep her with us to the end of this. Well, I didn't think that was going to gamble up, but we got to let it spin anyway. Failing a 2. See what else we can get out of it. Was that 5? No. We'll just have to pound and get off it, I think. I love this machine, but it's very terrible on 5p play. And I don't want to be stuck on it. £2 in, 440 out. That'll bring you back on this machine. Just put the pound back in number 4 for a win. It's still not gone up. So we'll pause you a minute, see if we can get back up on this. Let's see if we can get up on number 4 because we've not been up on it yet.